exponent of 12 in 100 factorial. So to solve this type of problems, we have the concept that if the exponent of a prime number p in n factorial, okay, we have some n factorial, and the exponent of a prime number we have to represent in the prime number p in the n factorial is founded by greatest integer of n by p, greatest integer of n by p plus greatest integer of n by p square plus greatest integer of n by p cube, and we need to find out this up to we get the result as 0. Okay, the greatest integer value has to be obtained as 0. Okay, right, this is the concept to find out the powers of, okay, otherwise the exponent of a prime number p in given n factorial. This is the finding the exponent of prime number p, otherwise the power of the prime number p in the given n factorial. Now he has given that asking us to find the exponent of 12 in 100 factorial. So to find out this, we have to represent the given number 12. Okay, we have to represent the given number 12 in terms of the prime numbers. Okay, then how to represent 12 can be written as 4 into 3. So which is also can be written as 2 square into 3, where 2 is a prime number and 3 is a prime number. So we can represent as 2 square into 3 power 1. So now here the 2 is a prime number in the 12 and 3 is also prime number in the 12. Now we are representing 12 in terms of the prime numbers, but we need to represent the exponent of 12 in 100 factorial. So how to find out this? First we have to find out the exponent of the prime number 2 in 100 factorial. Then we need to find out the exponent of prime number 3 in 100 factorial. Then we have to find out the exponent of 2 square into 3, that means the common of these 3 in 100 factorial. Then how to find out? First we will find out the exponent of prime number 2 in 100 factorial. So means what it is, we obtain this is as 100, greatest integer of 100 by 2 plus greatest integer of 100 by 2 square plus greatest integer of 100 by 2 cube plus greatest integer of 100 by 2 power 4. That means here only we are getting 16 only. Then greatest integer of 100 by 2 power 5. We need to obtain up to we get it as a 2 power 6 means 64. 100 by 64 we get it as a 1. And if we consider the next 100 by 2 power 7, 128. 100 by 128 means we get this is as a simply 0. Okay, 100 by 2 power 7. That means here 100 by 128 means 0 point something. We'll get it as a 0. Then 100 by 2 means 50. Okay, 100 by 2 means 50 plus 100 by 4, 25. Greatest integer of 25 is 25 only. 100 by 8. So 12 point something. That means the greatest integer is over here. Yeah, 12 only. So 100 by 8 means we get 12 point something. The greatest integer of 12 point something is 12 only. Plus 100 by 16. 16, 6 point something we obtain. The greatest integer of 6 point something is 6 plus 32. Okay, 32, 3 is 96. So that means here the greatest integer we obtain it is as 3. And 100 by 64, 1 point something we obtain the greatest integer as 1 plus, so 0 point something the greatest integer is 0. So that means n factorial, in a given n factorial we have the prime number p, the exponent of p is founded greatest integer of n by p plus n by p square, greatest integer of n by p up to we need to go divide the given number up to we get it as a 0. Then if we divide, then we get this is as a 97. Okay, we are getting the exponent of 2 in 100 factorial is the 2 power 97 we have. The exponent of 2 is, the power of 2 is 2 power 97, but we need to obtain the exponent of 2 square. Okay, the exponent of 2 square. How to obtain the exponent of 2 square? Exponent of 2 square. That means here the exponent of, simply we can write this as 4. Exponent of 4. For example, we have a 16, we have the 16 can be represented as 2 power 4. Okay, so if the same thing can be represented in terms of 4, that means what it is, 2 square power 2. That means we obtain this as 4 square. So that means the power is halved over here. Okay, the power is half over here. So the exponent of 2 is 2 power 97. Okay, here we are getting 2 power 97. So how we'll obtain in terms of 4 power means the power has to be divided by 2. So that means the exponent of 2 square is obtained by 97 by 2. We obtain this is as some 48 point something, but we need to get it as a greatest integer. Then we obtain it is as 48. Then the exponent of 2 square in 100 factorial is 48. Okay, right. Now we need to find out the exponent of 3. Okay, prime number 3 in 100 factorial. How we'll find out the exponent of 3 in 100 factorial as 100 by 3, greatest integer of 100 by 3 plus greatest integer of 100 by 3 square plus greatest integer of 100 by 3 cube 27. That means 100 by 27, and greatest integer of 100 by 3 power 4, 81. Okay, then if we consider 3 power 5, that is more than 80, that means we'll get it as a 0. Then we need to consider over here only. Then what we'll get, the next thing we obtain as, so 100 by 3, so 33. Okay, 33, 99. That means here the greatest integer 33 point something means greatest integer is 33, and 9, 100 by 9, 11 nines are 99, 11 point something, the greatest integer is 11, and 100 by 27, that means here we get the greatest integer as 3, 100 by 81, the greatest integer as 1 point something, we'll get it as a 1. So if we add all these, we get which is as 48. Okay, now how to find out over here? Here we need to find out the greatest integer of 12. Okay, the greatest integer of 12. So the greatest integer of 12 is obtained. So 2 power, so 2 power 2 square power we are obtaining it is as 48, and 3 power is also obtaining it is as 48. Then the greatest integer, what is exponent of 12 in 100 factorial, we obtain it is as 12 power 48. 2 square power 48 we are obtaining, and we are obtaining this is as 3 power 48. Then 12 power 48. Then the exponent of 12 in 100 factorial is, the answer for this one is 48 is the solution. I think the you understand this concept, and whatever the question is asking in this manner, the exponent of something in 100 factorial means we need to represent the given number in the prime factors. Then we have to use this concept to get the required result. Thank you.